October continues, and this time it's Google's turn. Today in New York, or at least today when this video goes live, they announced the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, featuring among a host of new stuff, better cameras, and more software features. But should you go out and upgrade today? Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So if pixels are the king of Android for you, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at the new Pixel 8 and 8 Pro from Google. And here they are, the new Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. One look at them and you can easily tell that these are pixels. I love that Google is sticking to its design language, with large camera bars serving as accents, just with more rounded corners this time around, giving them a softer look. The Pixel 8 comes in 3 glossy colors: hazel, which is gray with a greenish tint, rose, which is more peachy than it is pink, and obsidian, which is black. The Pixel 8 Pro comes in 3 matte colors, which by the way is new. If you look at last year's model and previous models, the Pro models were also glossy. There's obsidian as well, porcelain, which is a creamy white, and bay, which is a bright sky blue. One more thing on the design front, while the Pixel 8 is glossy and the 8 Pro is matte, the camera bar and the frame around the phone is the opposite. So glossy frame on the Pro and matte frame on the non-Pro. If you already own a Pixel 7 or 7 Pro, should you upgrade this year? Well, let's take a look at 3 of the biggest updates coming to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. We've had thermometers on fitness trackers before, but never on a phone. That's until now. Built into the Pixel 8 Pro is a temperature sensor. It's right here by the cameras. Notice this circle under the flash. It works almost like a heat gun that you point at food, or as us techies sometimes like to do, at a computer to see if it's overheating. You just launch the new thermometer app and point it at anything, really. 2 inches away is the sweet spot. In this example, we pointed it at a glass of champagne. I reckon maybe in the future it'll work like one of those temperature sensors when you walk into a building so that people know if you have a fever. Both new Pixels are powered by Google's own Tensor G3 SoC. While optimized for things like computational photography, the previous Tensor G2 wasn't as great when it came to other things like battery life or powering graphic-intensive games on the Pixel 7 series. So hopefully that's addressed this year. In the next chapter, we'll talk about some new software features also enabled by Tensor G3, so keep watching. Of course, the star of the Pixel show is definitely its cameras. Both the 8 and 8 Pro have new cameras, including a 50 megapixel main camera with an f1.68 aperture. The Pro model also gets an upgraded ultra-wide camera, now with 48 megapixels, while the regular Pixel 8 gets autofocus on the ultra-wide, meaning it finally gets the ability to take macro photos also. The 5x telephoto camera on the Pro model also gets an f2.8 aperture and a faster lens. Of course, none of this matters until we get the proof, the photos, and you can be assured that we'll post some when we do our review, so make sure you're subscribed. When you're shopping for an Android phone, one of the reasons to buy a Pixel over its competitors are all of the exclusive software features. And here are some of our favorites. Google Assistant can now summarize, read aloud, or translate a web page. So for example, you're visiting a city and you only have time for the Cliff Notes version of an article, you can get Google Assistant to summarize it for you, all with the press of the power button. You can also have Read Aloud read that web page to you, or if you speak another language, you could also have it translate it for you. 2 years ago, Google announced Magic Eraser, and to be honest, I don't know how we lived without it. On the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, Google is expanding that with a feature called Magic Editor, which Google teased at I/O earlier this year. Generative AI is built in, so now you can do things like move a subject to somewhere else in the photo, make it larger, or maybe even change the look from a moody day to golden hour. Or even change the style to something out of a comic book. Like most generative AI tools, you'll get 4 different options to choose from, and if you don't like any of them, you can have them generate another set for you. One feature that I really love is called Best Take, and I think Chai, my videographer producer, enjoyed it too much that she forgot to film B-roll of the demo. So let me just describe it for you. Say you're at a restaurant, there's a group of you, and you ask the waiter to take photos. Usually, he or she will take about 5 shots so that you have something to choose from. And when you peruse those 5 shots, the photo where you look the cutest may not be the best photo overall. Maybe someone else in the group is destroying the shot and is looking away, or just doesn't really look attractive in that particular shot. Well, what Best Take does is it looks at all of the 5 shots, and for each person, it picks the shot where they look best. It combines those photos together, outputting a shot where all of you look your best. Lastly, there's Magic Eraser for audio. This one blew me away. When you edit a video you shot using your Pixel, AI can distinguish between voice, music, and background noise, and then gives you the option to remove just the background noise without affecting the quality of the voice. Coming soon, a feature called Video Boost will provide automatic color grading, as you can see from this before and after, as well as software-based video stabilization. This one's a bonus since the launch of Android 13, the Pixel 7 series, and the Pixel Fold get VPN for free thanks to Google One. This comes to the entire Pixel 8 lineup too. To activate, just enable VPN from the Google One app. And now to the question of the day. Which Pixel 8 model is your gadget match? Well, let's take a look at what's different. First, of course, there's size. The Pixel 8 has a 6.2-inch display, while the Pixel 8 Pro is 6.7 inches. Google really differentiates the Pro from the non-Pro model. On the display front, the Pro model is far more superior. It's got more resolution. Both now have 120 Hz refresh rates, but the Pixel 8 Pro has an LTPO panel, meaning it can go down to a more power-efficient 1 Hz versus 60 Hz. The Pro has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both its front and back, which compared to original Victus, which is on the Pixel 8, Corning says is more resistant to drops on rough surfaces. Lastly, the 8 Pro also has a brighter panel going all the way up to 2,400 nits of peak brightness. While both phones run Tensor G3, the Pro models have more memory, offering 12 GB of RAM versus 8. And in terms of configurations, the Pixel 8 comes in 128 and 256 GB models, while the 8 Pro goes all the way up to 1 TB of storage. Finally, batteries on both models are larger this year, with a bigger bump on the Pixel 8. The Pro models can charge slightly faster, 30 watts versus 27 watts wired, and 23 watts versus 18 watts wireless. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are available for pre-order today and go on sale on October 12th. The Pixel 8 starts at $699, while the 8 Pro starts at $999. Hey guys, I'm in the middle of editing this video, and I would be remiss if I didn't let you know that we have some awesome pre-order deals. If you use our links and pre-order the Pixel 8, you'll get Pixel Buds free. If you use our links and pre-order the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll get the new Pixel Watch 2 for free. So check out the links down below. Okay, let me finish this up. And if you're wondering if it will be available in your country, well, here's a short cheat sheet for you. Google is also promising an unprecedented 7 years of OS and security updates. And that was our first look at the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. Of course, we're going to be working on a review video, so let us know what you'd like to see. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.